Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. This is Travel Talk Tuesday.
Okay, so here's the final result of my pantry cupboard. I am so excited. And when we finally hit the road, we will be putting those bracer bars, rod thingies that go in cupboards to keep things from falling out. And also, it could also be a possibility that most of that stuff will be used and I won't go grocery shopping until after we get to our new destination. But it just looks so much better and I can actually see what's inside, and Wally did a great job in getting that taken care of for me. I am so happy with it.